Hello, today we will guide you through how to add live chat to Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a chat widget connected through Squarespace's built-in extensions, so visitors can reach you in real time without any custom code. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account and opening the specific site you want to update. From your dashboard, enter the site editor by selecting your site title. This brings you into the place where you manage design, pages, and settings. Make sure you have the right site selected if you manage more than one. Next, look to the lower left corner of the screen and click Settings. You'll recognize it by the gear icon. Settings is where Squarespace keeps most of the behind-the-scenes tools that affect how your site behaves, including integrations and extensions. Inside Settings, locate third-party tools. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of the Settings panel and type Third Party to jump there quickly. Third-party tools is the hub for connecting services that extend what Squarespace can do. Now open extensions. Extensions are pre-built integrations that let you add extra functionality without touching code. This is exactly where we'll find the live chat option. If your screen looks different, double check that you're in the correct site and that you have the necessary permissions to manage integrations. In extensions, use the search field and enter live chat. Typing the exact phrase helps filter the gallery so you don't have to scroll. If you don't see results at first, wait a moment for the gallery to load, then try again. When the live chat option appears, select it. You'll see a details page that outlines what the extension does and what permissions it needs. This is a good moment to confirm it's the tool you want to use for real-time messaging with your visitors. Click Connect. Squarespace will guide you through the connection flow. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to sign into or create an account with the chat provider and authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen prompts and keep the browser tab open until you see confirmation that the connection is complete. If anything doesn't load, refresh the page and try connecting again. That's it. You've connected live chat through Squarespace extensions. From here, the chat widget will be available to your visitors, and you can manage availability and responses from your chat provider's dashboard. Thanks for following along, and enjoy offering real-time support on your site.